Alright, this is the second wood filler coating, the second sanding, and I have now used this fancy tool that blows all the dust off. Next step is TSP bath. It has had its TSP cleaning top to bottom and has now been completely rinsed. That's all the TSP off of the Haltree with clean warm water. And now it is drying in the sun, hopefully to be painted, at least the first coat, this afternoon. All right, you've done a first coat. Still see some of the wood showing through, but we're gonna let this dry for a little while and then maybe do a little very, very fine sanding if we need to for any bumps, and then come back in for a second coat. Hopefully 2 coats does it. We'll see. Loving this color. Three coats is the charm. Isn't that beautiful? It turned out so even and smooth. Love painting with a sprayer. Next up is some decorative leafing and wax finish. We'll see. I've reattached the hardware and I am using wax, black wax, to just add a little bit of depth to these glittery gold pieces of hardware. And here is the finished for now product. So I added the aging shadowing in some places. You can see it around the mirror, it's up in there, so it just adds a little bit of age and depth. And then I added some very light gold leafing just to look a little more regal, a little more worn. Got some gold leafing in there, and a little bit at the top. So, come a long way, baby. Molly approves.